and welcome back to my channel Code with Abhi. Today we are going to learn how to implement in-app updates using FlutterFlow. Okay, so first of all we are going to use a package name package info plus. Okay, this package we are going to use. So this is my app which is published already in the Play Store. Let us check. Okay, the release version 1.0.9. okay, so I am coming to here. I will create one app constant app version persisted create. Okay, and I am going to place it as 1.0.0. so once it's if it's 1.0.0 and this is 1.0.9, then it will show that app update is available. So whenever I supply for the next time, I will update it to the latest version. Okay, and coming to the custom code, I will create one custom action. So here I am going to pass on the check app version. There I will supply, and package will get the package info current version, and then it will compare, and then it will return true or false based on that. So for this we will configure the specified version as the argument not nullable, and return value is boolean. Okay, and obviously the package info plus. Currently I am not specifying any version, so let us just run and check that app is running or not. Okay, yeah. One more thing, we have to implement like platforms. For Android I have to update it as 1.9.0. Let us run and check. Now by the time it loads, let us develop the component for the app page. Let us use sketch to component. App update available and two buttons. One button and the other button, and save. Let's see if it recognizes my drawing or not. Okay, so it's not generating properly. Let's keep a check on the app is running or not. Okay, this sketch to component is not working out, so let me just type in text and two buttons below it, name cancel and update, generate. Hopefully this should work. Okay, since it worked. Okay, inside the component app update. So showed a lot of error, but it's working. Okay, so it comes to the home. Now for this, let us complete the container. Fill color as white. Cancel will dismiss the bottom sheet. An update. Launch URL, and we can either do like if it's Android, then go to this. If it's iOS, then go to this. Just a minute. Okay, this is our app. So once we click on update, it will go and open the link. Okay, now coming to the salesman homepage. Here on the homepage, I will check on page load, add action, custom action, check app version. App version we are going to supply from the app state. App version check, add conditional, action outputs. If it's true, let us load bottom sheet, app update. Okay, now let's reload the entire app. Let me just resize the window and let's see. See, it's saying, let me reload it again. It got dismissed. And click on update, it should redirect me to the okay. So it's working. Now let us just change the app version. Let us say -10. So based on our logic, it should not show the app version update available. App version checking, here it comes as false, so it didn't show app update available. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.